Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make auto captions in Capcut. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Capcut app and then tap on New Project. You can select a video that has already a voiceover or audio. And now for me, I want to choose a video that has already a voiceover. Now after that, you can see at the bottom the text option. Just tap on that and there you can see auto captions. You can select the language that the voiceover has. For example, this voiceover is in English, so of course the captions must be in English. So now just tap on start to generate the captions. After a few seconds, here it is. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.